Hi students, so the exams are coming closer and we have just released a feature called as CAMP to improve the way you are studying in the last couple of days. So CAMP is Cerebellum's accountability management program. The idea is very simple. When you are able to measure what you are doing, you tend to do it better. So we are talking about study hours, and not only study hours, we are talking about concentration and another important indicator that I call as bed to book time. So I'll just show you very briefly in this video how it is supposed to be used. So if you go into the app and if you go to the section of shortcuts, right, you will see this camp here. Now just click on this camp. Right, now you will be asked a couple of questions. So what is a bed to book time? So what is bed to book time? The time that you take to start your studies after getting up in the morning. So say you got up at 9 o'clock in the morning. If you start studying within 30 minutes before 9:30, the bed to book time is 30 minutes. So we have given here three options: less than 45 minutes, between 45 minutes to 1 hour, more than 1 hour. We want you to start at least within 45 minutes of starting your day. It would be even better if you can start within 30 minutes. So let's say I put here 45 minutes. Now we are asking you how many deep study sessions have you accomplished. So what is the meaning of deep study sessions here? Deep study session, one session is a session of around 50 to 60 minutes where your focus was pretty good. You did not get distracted. You did not spend time on phone. You did not talk to anyone. You can take washroom breaks, but beyond that, nothing. Right? So say pre-lunch, I studied for 3 hours. And then I also want you to give your concentration rating, because studying is one thing, arts is one thing. How close are you able to hit your peak concentration is another important thing. So say I say in these 3 hours, my concentration levels were around 8 out of 10. Between lunch and dinner, say I studied again for 4 hours, and this time I was able to give only 70% of my peak concentration. And post dinner, I logged another 4 hours, and this time my concentration again peaked at 9. So after this, I submit it. So when I submit my progress, it tells you that you reach 78.7% of your highest efficiency levels, your concentration levels, how effective are you in the pre-lunch, in the midday, and the post-dinner, right? So this simple feature basically gives you a lot of idea about how you are studying, and you are being forced to focus on the concentration rating as well, and this bed to book time as well. And if you do it daily, it will start showing you your daily progress. So it's a very simple feature, but I think a very effective feature. Use it daily. It is going to help you in these last days. Try to reach at least 90 to 95% of your efficiency score, and give a final push. As I keep saying that, take your preparation to the last day. This is another way of ensuring that you give a final push, big final push before the big day of your NEET PG exams. All the best.